In this video, we are going to learn how to create custom audience of lead forms as a data source in Facebook Ads Manager. As you can see, I'm into my Ads Manager and I'm into the audience section. Right here, we have a button of create audience. We will simply click on it and click on custom audience, and we will select the lead form as our data source of custom audience, and then we will click on next. Here it is asking us about the events, right? Of what kind of people you want to create custom audience. Now the first option is anyone who opened this form. It means it will include those users in our custom audience who have opened our form. For example, you have ran an ad campaign previously, and that ad campaign was having objective of leads, right? And you have just attached a lead form in that ad campaign, and under your ad creative there was a button, CTA button of lead form, and you showcase that particular ad creative to 1 lakh users. It means the reach is of 1 lakh users, and among those 1 lakh users, like 1500 users clicked on that CTA button and form just pop up, right? Form just opened in front of them. Now few people will fill the form and few people will not fill the form and will exit the form, right? So it will create custom audience of those 1500 users who have clicked on the CTA button previously and have opened that particular form, right? And if I select this, then it will create custom audience of those users who have opened that particular form but did not submitted the form. They just left that form, right? They exited the form by not filling that particular form. Many times, like, people don't fill the form because they think that the form is too much lengthier and they are not used to fill the form, so that's why they leave the form. So you can create custom audience of those users and show them your retargeting ads to get them converted. Apart from that, there is a third more event of you can create people who have opened the form and submitted. Many times the student ask me that why do we create the custom audience of users who have opened and submitted the form, as we already have data of those users? Then why it is required? Then again I tell them that many times, like for example, in if we take the scenario that we have discussed earlier, that you have shown your ad to 1 lakh users and 1500 users have clicked on that form button, CTA button, and among those 1500 users, like 500 users have filled the form, then it is not necessary that after filling the form those 500 users will get converted. For example, 30 users have get converted, right? And the rest 470 users have not get converted, but as they were interested in your product and services, that's why they filled your form. So you can retarget them, right? Apart from calling or messaging them, or like running email marketing campaign, SMS marketing campaign, WhatsApp marketing campaign, you can also retarget them and make your brand or business mind positioning into them, right? So you can show them ad like 2 to 3 times a day by creating their custom audience also, so that they get automatically converted, right? So among all these three events, I like the most of anyone who opened this form, because both the custom audience will become part of this automatically. So I have selected anyone who opened this form. Here we will select the page. I have selected my Facebook page, and here we can select that particular lead form, right? So I have selected this lead form. You can select multiple lead forms as well, and for next 30 days I'm going to retain this audience so that new users will automatically get added to this custom audience. If my saved ad campaign, if my previous ad campaign that I ran on saved audience is keep running, then new users will keep adding in this custom audience, and the past users who have filled the form or opened the form 30 days before will keep leaving this custom audience. So I am going to retain users of past 30 days and will keep showing them retargeting ads for next 30 days. You can just simply enter the audience name, lead trial. This is just for our reference. You can also add description for your reference and click on create audience, and done, and our custom audience has been created, right? As you can see, now the custom audience have been created and it's in populating mode and will get ready soon. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.